Today, I'm here to tell you about a really cool deal that Sungrow is offering. I just want to let you know because I know there are hundreds of thousands of Sungrow inverters installed across Australia, and some of those owners are considering upgrading to a new hybrid inverter with home batteries, and this could be a good way for you to get extra cash to pay for that. So here's the deal.
Please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism for you.
During the last 4.5 years, this Sungrow SG8K-D solar inverter has supplied thousands and thousands of kilowatt hours of solar power to my house, saving me lots of money. But now it's been uninstalled and replaced with a new battery system, which I'll tell you more about in a few days' time. For starters, this is not actually new. Sungrow has been running an inverter trade-in program and cashback deal since mid-2025. If you've got an older Sungrow solar inverter, this could be a really good way to get some cash towards upgrading to a new battery system. But it's got to be a Sungrow battery system, and it's got to have a Sungrow hybrid inverter and one of their compatible batteries that are eligible for this deal. I'll let you know all the details right now. Let me give you some real examples of what this trade-in is worth. My own inverter, a 4.5-year-old Sungrow SG8K-D, is currently valued at $1,000 including GST. If you have a SG5K-D, that's worth $800. These are just two models from a long list of eligible devices. And get this, there are over 100,000 units of the SG5K-D and SG8K-D models alone installed across Australia. So there must be hundreds of thousands of Sungrow inverters in total across all the eligible models. Other models eligible for cashback include $500 for smaller units like the SG2K-S, up to $1,700 for larger systems like the SG20RT. This trade-in deal started in the middle of 2025, and while there's no confirmed end date at the time of recording, it's definitely worth looking into if you're considering a battery upgrade for your house to take advantage of the federal government cheaper home batteries scheme. So what are you getting with these new 5th generation Sungrow battery and inverter systems? What they say is they have a lot more useful features like remote firmware updates, so you don't have to stand next to your inverter and try and upgrade it yourself, or try and pay your solar installer to come and visit and do it themselves if you're not comfortable doing DIY. Remote updates, automatic, is much better, as do a lot of other modern battery systems. Looking forward, Sungrow reckons that their systems will have things like AI-driven energy management. Not sure if I'm hugely excited about that, but there's also residential DC fast charging and other vehicle-to-grid style features which could potentially be enabled. So that's pretty cool. It's more of a future-proof solution than whatever Sungrow inverter you have already. Now, beyond the financial benefits for you as a buyer, which is important, there's a really important sustainability angle here, which I'm really excited about and why I'm made this video. I'm not being paid for it, remember. I'm interested in getting people a discount because why not? If you're upgrading from Sungrow to Sungrow, why not get a discount? But I also am really interested in encouraging reuse and recycling. And this program creates a circular economy in the renewable energy sector for Sungrow old inverter parts. When you return your old inverter through the program, Sungrow can reuse and components for spare parts and properly recycle unused materials. This reduces electronic waste and helps establish a closed-loop system covering energy consumption, product use, recycling and regeneration. Australia needs a lot of work on electronic waste management regulation. Hopefully within the next few years, lots more different electronic products are covered by this, including the solar and other big home appliances, because nobody wants all of these getting dumped in the tip or curbside where passing vandals will kick them and smash them and make junk everywhere on your street.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.